In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the E107 forum system. So what is a forum? Well, there's plenty of them online. They've been online for more than 10 years. And what they allow you to do is create threads that members of your website can reply to. So if we have a look at biology online, we see here that they're talking about cell biology. And we go into there and we can see some posts by Jay Whalen and Mr. Mystery there regarding biology. If we have a look over here at Photographers Online NZ, you can go into their forum and they're talking about photo competitions there, and there's lots of people taking part. So if you've used Facebook before, where people can reply to posts, it's very similar to that, but you're running it on your own website. So let's have a look at the Spinning Planet forum. Over here we use our forum actually as a place to store our standard operating procedures. So if I go into this forum here, design and website development, I can see the latest posts, and most of them by me, is basic Linux commands for our designers. And this shows them a bunch of commands that they can run on servers. And what we do is we go through 2 standard operating procedures each morning, and that makes sure that everybody's up to date. And if we forget what one of them is, let's say holiday, this is quite handy. You can search for holiday in the search bar, and under forum it comes up annual holidays. And that tells staff what our policies are for annual holidays. So let's have a look in the back end. I'll show you how you set up a thread. So if you log into the admin area of your E107 system and scroll down the bottom, if it's installed, you'll see the forum here. And if I click on that forum, I can then go in and set up these forums or categories. The first thing you need to do is create a parent. So I'll create a parent forum called Bryn Parent. The other thing you can do is you can make it publicly viewable, or you can actually restrict it only to website users, or if you've used E107 before, you know that you can set up classes, such as here we've got Spinning Planet clients, or people that are part of our contact group, or Evolve clients, and so on. I want everybody to be able to see this, so I'll just leave it for everybody. You can also restrict who's allowed to post to the forum. So, for example, with our standard operating procedures, we let the world see them, but only Spinning Planet staff are allowed to write to them. So I'll create that parent. Now what we need to do is create a forum under that. So I'll go into here, I'll choose the parent as Bryn Parent, and I'll name this forum Bryn Forum. And you could even put a description in there. So I'll just go blah, blah, blah. Who's the moderator? You might have all of your staff being able to moderate your forum, but in this instance it's only the admin of the website. Again, we want it viewable by everybody, and everybody can post as well. Now, most of the time you won't have it so everybody can post, unless it was, let's say, a support forum and you owned a computer shop or a bicycle repair shop and you wanted people to be able to post questions. A good reason for doing that is it saves your staff a lot of time, because people can go to the forum and they can see how other people resolved the problem. Also, if somebody emails you and they go, oh, I've got this problem, you can send them a link to the forum where the solution to the problem was shown. So I'll create that forum. Now if I leave the admin area and I go back to our forum, we see that there's now a new parent called Bryn Parent, and under that we've got Bryn Forum. I go into there, I create a new thread, and I'll just call this test thread. And like everything in E107, you can just write your stuff in there, and you can even insert images and insert videos from YouTube. You can format it like Microsoft Word, so if I go bold and then select that and go bold, now that's bold, and you can put in links and so forth as well. You can also attach a file, so I might be saying, oh, here's the latest manual for the CD drive, and so I can attach that. But I don't need anything like that at the moment, so I'll just go submit new thread, and there's my new thread. So if I was just a normal user on the website and I saw this thread, I'd also be able to do a quick reply here and go, hey, oops, that's cool, and post reply. Oops, I clicked the wrong button. I'll just go back. I should have said reply to thread. And there's my reply. If you wanted a more advanced reply, that's when you click post reply and it gives you that whole WYSIWYG editor again. But I don't need to do that. So that's how you use the E107 forum module.